Welcome to Painted Kids Studio, where we make amazing art videos. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified every time we post a new art video.
Hello friends, today we're going to be learning to draw Forky from Toy Story 4. Him and Woody are partnering up together to go on some grand adventures. So let's get started. Alright, so Forky is actually made from a spork. So the first thing we're going to draw on Forky is the handle of the spork. So we're going to do two lines and they're going to be at a slight angle so that way they're getting a little thicker as it goes down. Now I'm going to go up to the top of my line over here on the left and I'm going to do a nice slight curve, almost like we're making a spoon, but I'm going to stop. And then I'm going to go to the other side, do the same thing, and I'm going to have this nice gap in the middle. And this is where I'm going to put my little fork prongs. So just little triangles up and down and up. And you should have 4 little triangles on the top because he's a spork. Now I'm going to go down over to where I was with the handle, and I'm going to put some just kind of a bumpy, ovally kind of shape because it's putty that kind of keeps them all together. Now I'm going to be doing my popsicle sticks, so 2 long ovals on either side to make them look like feet. And then I'm going to take a nice short vertical line going off the very top of those ovals, and then I'm just going to follow those curved lines and connect to the back so they hide underneath that big ovally putty shape. Now I'm going to go to the center of my handle. I'm going to do 3 lines so it kind of looks like a pipe cleaner all wrapped around it. I'm going to do his hands, and I'm just going up and around and just making it super wiggly and inconsistent, giving him 3 little fingers at the top. I'm going to go to the other side. Now I'm going to just bring it down and a little up and a little over, and then give him 1, 2, 3, and then down and over and around. And his arms are pipe cleaners, so it doesn't have to be perfect. It's kind of wiggly and wobbly because Bonnie's a little kid and she made Sporky herself. Now for his eyebrow, I'm just going to get a big long eyebrow, so just a nice long rectangle with a little curve in it. And now I'm going to move on to Forky's eyes, and he has these googly eyes that one is a little bigger than the other, so they're not perfect. So I'm going to make 1 big circle and then 1 little circle. And you know how when you shake googly eyes around, they don't actually always stay in the same place, so I'm going to have one eye looking one direction, and then I'm going to have the other eye looking forward. So we're going to do 2 circles just kind of off from one another. Kind of gives him his goofy personality and makes him really feel like a child made him. So for his mouth, I'm going to go up and down and around, and I'm going to connect. And then I'm just going to follow that same line for the inside to make his open mouth. And again, I'm not making this perfect. I'm making it look like a child made it. And there's Forky, our sporky friend. So now I'm going to color him, and it's really easy. You know, the spork is white, so I'm just going to be making my red pipe cleaner. And he has these kind of red eyebrows, so I'm going to make it red eyebrows. Then he has this blue mouth, and then he has a kind of grayish, like the gray color for that putty that's holding his popsicle sticks together, and then a nice light tan and a darker tan for the side of his popsicle sticks. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more fun videos like this one, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You know, with you guys supporting us and following us, it allows us to continue to do what we do, and that's make awesome art videos for you. And if you want to show off any of your great artistic creations, head on over to any of our social media platforms. Those links will be in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.